In this video, I'm going to give you 3 steps on how to manifest a text message or a call from someone specific by using the law of attraction. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here and watching my video for the first time, I am a certified law of attraction coach and I help people manifest their goals, dreams, and wishes using the power of law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. And you can check my website awesomeeze.com and you will find tons of resources, success stories, videos, tools and techniques to apply on a daily basis for manifesting your goals and dreams. So in this video, we are talking about the 3 steps to manifest a text message or a call from someone specific. Now this someone specific can be an old friend, they can be your boyfriend or girlfriend, like someone with whom you were in a relationship and you are trying to manifest a call from them or a text message from them, or it can be from a mentor or a colleague or a client or someone with whom you had a relationship before, or someone whom you know from different sources but you are yet to connect with them on the text or on call. So it works with people with whom you had already some relationship, or also with people with whom you are not yet getting into a relationship. So it works all the time, and I use this technique most of the time to connect with people, old friends, clients, and people around with whom I have not been in touch for a while, and it works beautifully. And even it works beautifully in those cases where you don't have their contacts number or you have lost their contact and all, and still you can manifest it. It works like that. So few weeks back, I was going through my laptop and I found some pictures, old pictures, where I found that there are some pictures with a friend, and when I saw that picture, I remember her, and I remember that we have not been in touch for last few years, and even I was not having her contact number, and I was not having anything to contact with her. So when I felt that desire to connect with her and know what she is doing, how things are going in her life, so I applied the same process, and the next day when I opened my Facebook account, I saw a friend request from her. So she has deleted her old account and she has created a new account. She sent me that friend request, so I knew it's law of attraction always working. So I accepted it, and the next moment she sent me her contact number and she said like, AJ, we haven't spoken for so long, so let's connect over the call. And then after a few hours we are talking. So this works like a charm, and it works for everyone. So many people, they keep asking me this question like, AJ, how can I manifest a call or a text message from someone specific? I've not been in touch with this person from quite a long time, or I lost contact with this person and I don't have their phone number or email ID. So how can I connect with them, and how can I get a text or a call from them? And these 3 steps are going to create magic. So I'm sure you are ready for it. Before I tell you the 3 steps, one thing I want you to first understand is that deep down all of us are energy. And as we are energy centers, energy is transmitting from one center to another center, one place to another place, one person to another person through thought transmission, thought vibration. So when you transmit your thought vibration steadily to one person, that thought vibration will connect with them. That's how the law of attraction is working. That's how the universe is working. That's the principle of the physics. So we are going to use it. And remember, it is not something that you haven't done it. You have been using it in your life. You have been using it many times, but you are not using it consciously. That is why when you think about some specific person, you get doubts, and you start asking whether it is going to happen or not, or how am I going to manifest it, and that's what blocked it. So first thing, you have to remember that this is not something new you are going to do. You have been doing it many a times. Now you are going to do in an intentional way. So first thing is, we are energy, and when we intentionally transmit that energy with thought vibration, we can connect with people, that specific people, that specific person. That is the core of the law of attraction: focus and attract. When you focus that vibration, you will attract whatever you desire. So here are the 3 steps, and you must listen, and I want you to apply it actually. Like, when it's about specific, the law of attraction wants you to really be specific. So the first step is, you should be clear about from whom you want to manifest this call or text, and you choose that one person. And if you can even fix it, like whether you first want a text message, or whether you want to get a call from them, or whether you want to chat with them, maybe on WhatsApp, maybe on Facebook Messenger, maybe Google Talk. So you choose that specific way, the way you want to communicate with the specific person. That's the first step. Now the second step is, once you have chosen this particular outcome, the second step is, take 3 to 5 minutes of your time. 5 minutes, take 5 minutes time, and go to a place where no one can disturb you, not much of noise is there which can distract you. So you have to be in a quiet and peaceful place. This is very important. And then sit down or lie down or go into a meditative state. Be happy and relax. This is the key, because only when you be happy and relax, you could able to transmit that energy. Otherwise, what happened, when you are not relaxed, then you start doubting, then you create resistance. Oh, whether that person will call me or not, or whether the person is really going to chat with me, or whether this technique is really going to work. If you start thinking all these things, it's not going to work. So that is why what you have to do, you have to really be in a happy state. Otherwise, you chose to do these 3 steps when you are really happy and relaxed, like maybe early in the morning, or maybe at night before going to sleep, when no one is there to disturb you, and you are fully in the joyful mode, fully in the relaxed state, and you should have that 3 to 5 minutes in your hand. Then here is the third step, and the most important step, where you actually connect. When you are in that peaceful state, in the joyful state, that's the moment you imagine or think about how you will feel when that conversation will be happening, or when that text message will come, or where that call is going to take place. You have to really feel like that it's happening this point. Like at that point, you are receiving that text message, or at that point, you are on that call, or you are chatting with that particular person, and you have to be in that mode when you feel that it's done, it's happening, that point. And you raise your vibration, you raise your energy, you raise your happiness, so that you could able to feel that happiness all through your body. You feel that excitement, like when you met someone, a friend, after 10 years, and he or she was a really great friend, how happy you become. You have to go into that point. Or let's suppose you have been waiting for a call or a text message from your ex, or someone whom you really love, and you have been really trying to get connect with them. So how joyful you will be, how happy you will be for getting this text and getting this message. So you have to go into that state. You have to feel like it's happening right this moment. When you feel it, that's when you transmit that thought vibration. You connect these 2 energy points, you and that person, and this thought vibration will transmit, and that's where they start getting that signal, they start getting that vibration that, oh, I need to connect with that person, I need to check with that person, I need to recreate the bond with that person. And that's where they will take the action, maybe after an hour or so, or maybe next day, or maybe next to next day, but it's going to work very soon. Now, when you imagine, the third step is the most important step. The third step, you have to really feel it as it's done, at it's happening at this point. And you can do it with open eyes, or you can do it with closed eyes. If you are very good with closed eyes imagination, you do it. But if you are not good with closed eyes imagination, not to worry, you can do it like daydreaming with open eyes and just go into that mode. Here are the few key things you must remember. You should not focus on getting a negative message, like getting a sorry message from someone or someone apologizing you on call. You don't focus on those things. Your focus should be on a happy message, happy chatting, happy call, joyful outcome. Because why? Because many people, when they ask me this question, especially when they are manifesting a call or a text message from their ex or someone whom they love, or they have a broken relationship, their first intention was, oh, I want the apology message from them. Oh, I want him or her to call me and say sorry. No, my friend, when you do that thing, you actually create resistance, and it never work. If you are building the bridge, the thought vibration, it should be a positive bridge. So that is why that you are not going to do. Second thing, the how is not your thing. You don't have to worry about how this is going to work, whether it is working or not, and all these things you have to keep aside. Just have 100% faith and do it. When you do it, you will get it. It's working for everyone. Even it's working for you where you don't have any resistance. So now you are going to use it for the specific person and getting the call, or getting the text message, or getting connected again. And you are going to do it. You are going to manifest it. Now, for some of you, it may work just like that. Because the relationship where you are focusing, there are no resistance to it. So you can get it like in just an hour or so. There are many times I just think about it, and the next moment I get the call. Next moment I get the text message. So it happened like that hundreds of times because there is no resistance. Whereas in those cases, you have some resistances, or you had a lot of differences with that person, and there are a lot of negativity arised in the past, then there you may have to do this process on a daily basis for next few days, maybe for 7 days, maybe for 10 days. But only if you keep doing it on a daily basis, then you remove the resistance and then you manifest it. Number one mistake many people do is that they just write once, especially for the relationship or people with whom they have lot of resistance, and they just try it for once, and then they think, oh, why I'm not getting the call, or why it is not coming to me, and then they block it. Even if the person is ready to call them or text them, they block it. Don't go into that mode. Do it every day until you get it. And I want all of you to try it and share it in the comment section and let me know what all you have manifested. And remember, there is a video I shared last week about a law of attraction sleep experiment that we have done, like to give 5 minutes and think about something, and many people have shared their manifestations, and you can check that video. And in that video as well, there are many people who have shared in the comment section that they have manifested calls, they have manifested meetings with old friends, they have manifested text messages from someone from whom they have been waiting for so long, and they manifested it. So it means it's always working. Now it's your turn to apply these 3 steps and manifest that text and the call that you have been waiting for. I'm sure this video must have helped you to feel joyful, raise your vibration, build that faith, and you are going to try it. If you find this video useful, then click that like button, share it with someone, a friend, or someone who is trying to manifest a call or a text message from someone specific. Do share the link with them so that, and ask them to try, and you to try and share in the comment section. Or if you have already manifested some call, or if you have already manifested some text or calls, then you share your experience in the comment section, and Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of the latest update, because I'm going to share a lot more new videos in coming weeks. Those are going to help you manifest like crazy. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. And yes, check my website awesomeaz.com to use and learn more about law of attraction and manifest your dreams. And we have a very powerful law of attraction manifestation program on WhatsApp. Make your life awesome. If you are excited, check the link in the description section and join that program. People are manifesting like crazy. Now it's your turn. So thank you. This is Awesome AZ. I'm so excited to see you all manifesting your text and calls from the specific person by applying this 3 steps technique. Remember, be specific from whom and what you want. Second, be happy and joyful. Give yourself 5 minutes time. The third one is go into that imagination mode, go into that feelings mode and feel that it's done. And the universe, the law of attraction will deliver for you. Thank you.